Mr. Rajmouli sir and me, Mr. Shankar sir, both are taskmasters. They give you every opportunity. Even if you're Mr. Rajnikant ji or Kamal Hassan ji, he worked with, or myself, doesn't matter.
There's there's no comparison, of course, but both of them are like masters of their craft. But S.S. Rajamouli sir and S. Shankar sir. So how do you see this thing ki, you were directed by Rajamouli sir and now Shankar sir? Kya difference hai?
Oh, thank God, difference. Bolo to. You didn't compare them.
Not at all, sir. Not at all.
So both of them are taskmasters. Both of them expect a lot from each and every person. And especially having such beautiful actors. He is one of the craziest person and the craziest actors I've met. He is. And he just said he saw the song and he saw Kiara and me. मैंने तो producer का ये देखा था उसमें. So I think both Mr. Rajmouli sir and me, Mr. Shankar sir, both are taskmasters. They give you every opportunity perform करने के लिए and to be your best. Yeah. It is very rare to work with such talent, and they keep pushing you always. And there's not one day where थोड़ा relax होने के लिए time मिलता है. नहीं. Every day, even if it's a single shot. I remember one day I was sitting with Shankar sir saying, "Hi Ram, coffee bag." Yes, sir. Abhi first day tha. Then he was having a coffee, I was having a coffee, and suddenly he started looking, not at me, at my hair. And he called assistant director, he said, "Idhar aao, wo iPad leke aao." And he's looking at the iPad and this thing. I said, then मेरे को मालूम पड़ गया, he's not talking to me, वो character के साथ बात कर रहा है, Ram Nanda. I said, "Idhar aao." And he started touching me. It is very intimidating when somebody touches you like this. I said, I can't say. He said, कुछ बदला क्या? क्योंकि iPad में जो आपको पिक्चर ने भेजा था वो कैरावन में exactly नहीं था. I said, I swear to God, it is only 5% difference from what he sent. But he is so particular and he is so master at his craft. Even that 5%, it doesn't matter. And even if you're Mr. Rajnikant ji or Kamal Hassan ji, he worked with, or myself, doesn't matter. He's so particular. So that's what I enjoyed working with him. And yeah, that's something. Yeah.
Right.